Good evening, everyone. Please let me know audio video okay or not. I think yesterday we discussed about syllabus and all. Correct? C programming, GATE CSE, C programming, GATE CSE 2026, 2027. 26 people, 27 people can attend this. Right? C programming. So yesterday we done the introduction, right? Some syllabus discussion we done. Syllabus we are already discussed. In the last class you can see syllabus we are already discussed. Right, in the last class, in the lecture number 1, we are already discussed about this syllabus and all. Now let's move to second class, where we are going to discuss the basics of the C programming which are needed. Just basics we are going to discuss in this today's class. Right, it is the lecture number 2. The lecture number 2. The lecture number 2 we are going to discuss, right, all the basics which are needed for this particular course. Right. Let's move. So people are asking, sir, what is the first topic we are going to discuss? So remember, in the C programming, the first topic which is really required is first topic, scope of a variable. Scope of a variable is the first topic, which internally contain static scoping, and dynamic scoping. These are the two things: static scoping and dynamic scoping. These are the two things which we are going to discuss now. The lecture number 2. Lecture number 1 is a syllabus only. Nothing is happened. It is the lecture number 2. So today date also I am writing. I think today is approximately, I think 12/24. Right? Scope of a variable is the first chapter. It's the lecture number 2. It is the first chapter. Scope of a variable, static scoping, dynamic scoping, we are going to discuss in today's class. Today's class we are going to discuss that. Right? Fine. Let's move to right. So actual discussion. So yeah, as I mentioned to you, let me go ahead. As I mentioned to you, so one batch is starting, right? Today only this batch is starting. Right? Yesterday is only introduction. Today starting for GATE 2026 also, 2027 also. Offer is going on, 50% offer is going on. You can utilize. GATE CSE people also, GATE DA people also. Full course is going on. So please take care about this. The new batch announcement. If you are serious about GATE examination, start as early as possible. And one more thing is DSA course plus, right, system design, DSA and system design for placements, right, with internship. We are giving internship also after completion of the course. Those people who are really needed, to them we are providing the internship also. Those people who want to crack the placements, right, product based and service based, if you want to crack, system design also required. So DSA with approximately 500 practice problems plus system design, both are there. Right, placement with internship, right? So it is a pre-placement, right? I can say this one. We are giving training to placements. With internship. Next one. Some people are asking, sir, I want to prepare GATE also. I want to prepare placements also. This course is really useful to you. GATE also and DSA also. Right? DSA make you, right, placements you are ready. GATE examination will make you, GATE examination, you will crack these two combinedly. These two combinedly is a 1-year course or 2-year course you can join. It is the best one. If you want to crack both, it is the best one. It is the best one. So use this, right? Use this code and you will get the 50% discount. Some people are asking, sir, can I prepare GATE CSE also and placements also? Exactly. Exactly. That is the reason we started this course. That is the reason we started this course. I have a lot of experience. Many students, many CSE students are having this problem. I want to help. So that is the reason we started this. Next one, GATE 2025 people. GATE 2025 people. So test series is going on. You can happily join, right? You will get a lot of discount, right? Approximately, right? 100 plus tests are there. 100 plus tests you can practice. 2025 GATE aspirants can join happily this test series. You will get approximately 100 plus tests. Right, next one. So as I mentioned to you, 50% because of it's the festival season. We want to help as many students as possible. So 50% offer is going on. You can utilize this. Right. So those people who want to join, just go to ExamPrepTool.com. From there you can join. Right. So you can download our app also from the Play Store. Right. So you can use this code. You will get the 50% discount. And one more important thing is EPT daily quizzes. Every day quizzes are going on. Every day quizzes approximately, right? We are providing in the form of a quiz approximately 10 questions we are providing. So students are asking 50 more questions every day. 60 questions you can practice. You can happily join in our group. So this is our WhatsApp number. Please ping us. We are going to add you. Right? Every day approximately, right? 60 questions you can practice. Right. Yeah. Let's start the today's session. So, right, the first topic, as I mentioned to you, is scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. This is the first one. Right. So now let me write the program. One program I am writing. So accordingly, right, I will explain. Take the program. Take the program, everyone. Everyone take this program. It is the first problem. For the C program, it is the first problem. Example 1. It is the first program. So let me write here. Int a is equal to this is the first topic which required for C programming. This is the first topic which required for C programming. If you can get this topic, you will get the other topics. So let me write now. Int a is equal to 5. So remember, this is called declaration followed by assignment. Int a is called declaration. Get the declaration. Assigning value, that is called initialization. If you assign the value first time, that is called initialization. If you do afterwards, that may be modification. First time if you assign, that is called as initialization. If you do afterwards, that is called modification. So int a is equal to 5. Main program started. Now next one, into a is equal to 7. So printf percentage d a. Because of you are not returning anything, you can write void. It is the first program. Everyone take care. It is the first program of C language. It is the first program of C language. C language subject. It is the first program. Int a is equal to 5. Void main. Int a is equal to 7. Print a percentage d a. Now, those people who are watching, please let me know what is the output of this program. Everyone. Whoever watching this class, please let me know. Whoever watching this class, please let me know what is the output of this program. I want answer from everyone. What is the output of this program? Yeah, good evening, Sachin. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Please go ahead. Everyone, those people who are watching, please let me know what is the output of this program. Everyone try. Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Yeah, output is 7, right? Many people said answer is 7. So let me take care of this. Many people are saying output is 7. So when you are running this program, see, remember, when you are running this program, everyone try to understand. When you are running this program, so it is a, right, this program, if you observe clearly, this is a global variable. It is a global variable. It is a global variable. Remember, global variable memory will be allocated in static area. Yeah, right? Memory, in the memory, one of the portion is called static memory. Right? For the global variable, memory will be allocated in the static memory. Static memory will be allocated. So if you want to store something, memory required. So you have to declare. When you declare, the meaning is I want memory to my variable A. That is the meaning of declaration. Declaration indirectly saying that I need memory of 2 bytes. Declaration is indirectly saying that, right, my name is A, I am integer variable, means I want 2 bytes of memory. Please create some memory. If you declare globally, memory will be allocated in the static area. Static area. Let us understand static memory. Static memory for the variable A, memory will be allocated. Address may be 1000. So value whatever you kept is 5. That is. And one more thing, right? Global variable memory will be allocated in the static area, as I mentioned to you. But remember, compile time. Compile time, memory allocated. Compile time, memory allocated. For a global variable, memory allocated in the static memory. Compile time. So these all are the keywords of this particular program. Right? This is called declaration. Declaration purpose is creating memory. This is called declaration. Declaration purpose is creating memory, but where it is created, right? And one more, is it global? Yes, it is a global variable. Declaration purpose is creating memory, but when the memory will allocate, compile time, where memory allocated in the static area. So, and one more thing, sir, if I say here print A, what will print? So 5 will be printed. In the global area, if you say print A, 5 will be printed. Let's everyone know that is perfect. Now come to next. Remember, program running will start. Program running will start from main. Main onwards, program running will start. Right? Now see this one. When our program is running, you are using stack data structure. Whenever you say function called, see, when our program is running, right? You have to take stack. Program running, you have to take stack. Right? Now see this one. In the stack, local variables memory allocated. See this one. Again, it is a declaration. When our function is running, program running means running will start from main program. Right? So now see, program running means program running will from main program. Next one. Right? Remember all local variables of a particular function. Right? Because of main function is running. So remember, main will be pushed inside stack. Indication that main local variable will push inside stack. So if you say int A, variable A, memory will allocate. Like how memory allocating outside, here also. Remember, you are allocating memory for local variable in stack area. Stack area. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area. Try to understand. Local variable memory will allocate running in stack area. Okay. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Where it is created? Because of local variable stack area. What is the A value? 7. Next one. Can you help me now? Print a percentage DA. In this function, you are saying print A. You always remember whenever you are using any variable, first it will check. Wherever you are, first it will check. In my area, A there or not, it will verify. In local area, A there or not, it will verify. If it is there, whatever is there, it will print. So I think local area, wherever you are in that area, right, you are using some A. That A is a local person or not? Yes, local person will be printed. So 7 will be printed. Yes, such, right, Sachin is mentioned, 7, answer will be 7. Answer will be 7. Whenever you are saying print any variable, it immediately it will check. In my locality, A is there or not there. In my locality, A is there or not, it will verify. If it is there, it will print it. If it is not there, it will see something else. So next one, some people are asking, sir, you are saying print A. So I think because I am in the stack inside, in the main function I am in stack inside. Print A, the 7 will be printed after completion of this function. Now function over, so it is popped out. Whenever function you are running, it will push it inside stack. Whenever function is over, it will be popped out of the stack. Because whenever program is over, there is no meaning of keeping the program inside stack. It is a wastage of space. So this is the first problem. I hope everyone is okay with this. Sachin is given answer 7. That is perfect. Now let's go to example 2. Let's go to example 2. Everyone take care. Example 2. I'm expecting correct answer from everyone. So please start this. Int A is equal to 5. Main int A is equal to 5. Main, careful everyone. Int A is equal to 10. Then in the main B function is called. In the main B function is called. Let's go to B function. Forget about syntax. Actually, whenever you are not returning anything, void should be there. Here also I am not returning anything. Here also maybe void will be there. B int A is equal to 15. C function is called. Go to C function. It is also we are not return anything, so void C. Next one, see this one. Everyone observe. Printf %D and A. Now try everyone. What is the output of this program? Let's see. I want answer from everyone. Please let me know what is the output of this program. This is the second program. This is the second program. Please let me know what is the output of this program. Everyone. Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Let's see how many people will give answer. Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Let's see how many people will give. Everyone. Yeah, let me give answer. As I mentioned to you, everyone observe. As I mentioned to you, global variable. Before running the program, first you have to compile. If you want to run the program, first you have to compile. So remember, global variable memory will allocate, right? Global variable memory will allocate. Compile time itself. Which area? Static area. Let us assume that it is a static area. In the memory, static area is this. Their memory, right? Their memory allocated for the variable A. A5 address 1000. Global variable memory will allocate in the static area compile time itself. Okay, fine. So compilation is over. Now run the program. Program running will start from main. Program running will start from main. But remember, function call means push operation in the stack. When you say you are calling a function, it is a push operation in the stack. So main will be called first. Main function is called first. Remember, function call is a push operation. Right? Push operation. Function call is a push operation. So now I am pushing. So main. What is the meaning of function push do? All that function information will be pushed. What is the meaning? Something like local variable. Let's check. So main is right. Main program is right. Program execution will start from main. So main called first. So main will push. Means local variable will push. What is that one? Int a is equal to 10. Local variable. One local variable. Remember, declaration means local variable. So let me write now. So A10. A10. So first line is completed. In the main program, there are two lines are there. First line completed. See the second line. See the second line. Second line is B function call. Remember, function call is a push operation. You called the B function. So B will be pushed inside stack. Now remember, I am there inside B. I am there inside B. B pushed means what? B local variable will push if anything is there. So I think again local declaration. Again local declaration. Remember, local declaration means local variable. Declaration means A got birth at this place. When you say A is declared, means A got birth at this place. So A value 15. Right? So declaration means creating memory because of local variable, memory created in the stack area itself. Now go to the C function is called. Now C function is called. Go to the C. Now C function is called. Go to the C. Right? So I went to the C. C function is called. I will go to the C. So because of B function called, I came to B. Because of C function is called, I will go to C. Remember, function call means push operation. Function call means push operation. So C is called. Right? C is called. So C will be pushed inside stack. Okay, fine. Right? Now C is running. Now understand everyone. This is the big issue here. This is the big issue here. So Hindi, Bhakti, please make sure you will listen this point properly. So C is executing now. Now as of now, function C is running. As of now, function C is running. Now see the answer. Printf percentage DA. Printf percentage DA. Now I am printing A. Interesting thing is inside the C function, there is no local variable. Remember everyone, inside the C function, there is no local variable. So local no person is A. How can you print A? Inside the C function, there is no local person. If local person not there, how can you say print A? Local, there is no person A. How can you say print A? Local, there is no person A. How can you say print A? Some people are asking, sir, A not there. If I say print A, what is the problem? Remember, this problem is called a name conflict. This problem is called something like name conflict. Another way of saying is this problem is called this problem is called a scope problem. If I want to say easy terminology, this problem is called a scope problem. What is the meaning of scope problem? In this scope, there is no person A, but you are using. It is something like in your house, there is no person Vijay, but you are keep on calling, come Vijay, come Vijay, come Vijay. Who will come? No one will come. Inside your house, there is no person called Vijay. Inside your house, there is no person called Vijay. You are keep on calling, come Vijay, come Vijay. Definitely no one will come. This is called scope problem. This problem is called as scope problem because you are using someone who is not available here. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of not available? Not available means no declaration. Declaration there means local variable available. Declaration not there inside means local variable is not available. Now local variable not there, you are saying print A. I don't know which A will come because so many A's are there. See, this is the first A came. Next, this is the second A. This is the third A. So many A's are there. Here you are calling print A where there is no A is there. This is called scope problem. Remember, you are using A here where A is not there. Right? Using A which is not declared. This is called as scope problem. This is called scope problem. Careful. Using A, you are using A which is not declared. This is called scope problem. And the variable which you are using, that is called free variable. That is called free variable. Try to understand. That is the meaning of this topic. What is this topic? Scope problem. So if you want, you can see the topic name. What is the topic name? Can you see the topic name? Scope of a variable. That is the reason this story is called scope of a variable. Scope of a variable means you are using someone who is not there in the scope. You are using someone who is not there in the scope. It is as it is, like exactly like. It is exactly like in your house you are using. In your house you are calling someone. In your house you are calling someone with the name, right? Vijay come, Vijay come, Vijay come. There is no Vijay in the class. In your house, I am repeating once again. In your house there is no Vijay. You are saying that Vijay come, Vijay come, Vijay come. No Vijay. Mama, Papa will think that my son became mental. Mama, Papa think that my daughter became mental because in the house there is no Vijay. You will keep on calling Vijay come, Vijay come. Definitely no Vijay will come. This is actually called not mental and all. This is called as scope problem. This is called as a scope problem. Try to understand. This is called as a scope problem. Right? I hope everyone got. You are using someone who is not available. This is called scope problem. Actually, people will think that mental and all. It's not mental. Right? You are calling someone who is not available. It is not mental. It is called scope problem. In normal human psychology, this may be mental and all. But in the programming terminology, this is called scope problem. Some people are asking, sir, so many A's are there. Here A not there. What is the problem? This is called, see, using A which is not declared. This is called scope problem. That variable A is called. That variable A is called free variable. Here A is a free variable. Some people are asking, then what are the solutions are? Right? Remember the scope problem having two solutions. The scope problem having two solutions. One solution is static scoping. One more solution is dynamic scoping. One solution is static scoping, another solution is a dynamic scoping. Right? So, what is the problem? Scope problem. Then, how many solutions? Two solutions. What are those? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Some people are asking, okay, Reddy sir, whatever you thought, whatever you are saying, we are perfect. Now, according to static scoping, what will be the answer, sir? According to static scoping, what is the answer, sir? Right? That is a some people discussion. Sir, according to dynamic scoping, what is the solution? You are saying problem is scope problem. You are saying two solutions. Right? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? We'll see now. See everyone. It is the current status. Careful. It is a main function. So A may be 10. Now, it is a B function. A may be 15. You are at here, C function. You are at here. You are using here print A. Right? Now come here. A10, A15, C function, here B function, here main function. Right? That is okay. Until now, fine. And remember, outside the stack means somewhere static area. Static area A is there. One more A, 5. Address is 1000. Remember, it's a static area. static area is available. Here also static area is available. Right? Now understand. Now understand everyone. Everyone try to understand. Static scoping, what will be the answer? Dynamic scoping, what will be the answer? I will explain. Right? See this one. At this place I'm saying here. Here I'm saying print A. Carefully here. I'm saying here print A. No local. See this one. No local. Print A I said. Right? No declaration. No local. Right? So now remember everyone, very interesting one, very interesting one. Remember everyone, as of now, we have already 3 A's are available. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 people are available. First he came, next he came, next he came. But the problem here is, you are saying print A, you are there at the C function, you are saying print A, no local. No local. So remember, this is called scope problem. This is called scope problem. This is called scope problem. Means it don't know which A it has to print. Right? So you are saying print A, there is no local variable, means you don't know which one you have to print. This is called scope problem. Remember everyone, according to static scoping, what static scoping saying is, remember static scoping, name itself saying static scoping, right? So if you say to compiler, right, see, according to my programming language. Understand this one. The person who invented any programming language, he have the right whether he have to go for static scoping or dynamic scoping. Suppose assume that the person who invented this programming language, he said that my language follows static scoping. That means whenever compilation is going on, compiler got to know there is a scope problem. What compiler will do is, compiler created what? Compiler is created this one. Compiler is created this one. As I mentioned to you, global variable memory will allocate the compile time itself in the static area. I already mentioned. For global variable, memory will allocate. For global variable, memory will allocate. Compile time itself in static area. Right? Now see this one. The person who invented this programming language, if he say, my programming language follows static scoping, what it means is, whenever you are compiling this program, compiler got to know that there is a scope problem here. Compiler got to know that there is a scope problem here. You are saying print A, compiler is compiling the program. He got to know there is a scope problem here. Print of A, no local, it is a scope problem. But this language follows static scoping. What is the meaning? Right? Indirectly, the owner of this programming language saying that at anywhere scope problem, right, follows static scoping. Means compiler, you only resolve. Compiler, you only resolve. Right? The inventor of this programming language said that at anywhere scope problem, compiler, if you got to know scope problem is there, you only resolve whatever knowledge you have, right? Using based on that knowledge, you only resolve. Everyone know compile time. Remember, this person is not created compile time. This person is not created compile time, but he created compile time. Global variable is created compile time. So when the inventor of this programming language mentioned that whenever scope problem, right, compiler you resolve. Compiler got to know there is a scope problem, right? The inventor of this programming language said that at anywhere scope problem, compiler with your knowledge, you please resolve. But immediately compiler knows, oh, I created one global variable A. One variable A I created at the time of compilation. Compilation time is not available. Compilation time is not available. Compilation time is available. So now immediately when the compiler got to know, oh, I have to solve. Compiler, inventor of the programming language mentioned that compiler anywhere scope problem while compilation. You please resolve. Means simply, very simple here, very simple line. If no local, according to static scoping, right, take global. Very simple terminology. If no local, according to static scoping, please go to global, because global person is created compile time. So remember, scope problem. Now I am going to static scoping. Now I am going to static scoping. According to static scoping, no local. Then go to global. That's it. No local. Then go to global. I think who is the global? Global is this. This is the global. So 5 will be printed. At this place, I am printing A, right? Where no local A. No local A. So this is called scope problem. According to static scoping, means, right? Inventor of this programming language said that compiler, if any scope problem, you take care. That is called static scoping. So okay, compiler is solving the scope problem. Compiler is solving the scope problem. Compiler immediately will see, right? In my locality, what is there? Compiler knows that he created only global variable. Oh, no local, then go to global. So he will replace 5. This is called static scoping. Now some people are asking, sir, what is dynamic scoping? Sir, what is dynamic scoping? Now see the interesting story. At this place, everyone understand. At this place, you said print A. At this place, remember this one. No local variable A. Okay. This is called scope problem. This is called scope problem. This is called scope problem, right? And one more. This is called scope problem, okay? And one more thing. The inventor of this programming language said that, please follow dynamic scoping. In exam, you will say dynamic scoping or static scoping. They will mention like that. The inventor of this programming language, he mentioned that scope problem, follow dynamic scoping. Follow dynamic scoping. So remember, what is the meaning of dynamic means? Remember, as of now, 3 A's are available. First A, second A, third A. You are at here, you have 3 A's. So what the dynamic scoping will do is, right? What the dynamic scoping will do is, whenever you have a problem, in front of you, there are 3 things are there. 1, 2, 3. Three things are there. You are there at here. Whenever any problem, very simple. Go one position back. Means simply pop this one, go to previous. Suppose you are in a 5-story building. You are staying. You are staying 5-story building. You are there at the 5th floor. You are there at the 5th floor. 5th floor, you have some problem. Go to 4th floor. See, there is a scope problem here. So according to dynamic scoping, pop one time, go to previous. Ask him, at least do you have A? Yes. According to dynamic scoping, go to previous one. If you don't have, go to previous. So remember, one time pop, go to previous. So I think printf A. What is the answer? Remember, 15 will be printed. 15 will be printed. Someone is saying, can I build large scale applications with the help of C program? Of course, right? All the hardware stuff, right? All the hardware stuff. Suppose isn't that you want to create, some embedded system kind of thing. You want to create, in the hardware, you want to write some programming language. Some coding you want to do. Inside hardware, you want to do some coding. Normally, people will use C programming. Something like Qualcomm, which is working on chips. Right? All Qualcomm company, if you see, right, on the chips, they have to do some programming. So people used to do C programming and all. Some hardware stuff. If you go to the Cisco, right, which is the hardware things. So inside they used to do C programming stuff. Static scoping means very simple. No local, go to global. Dynamic scoping means very simple. If wherever you are currently not available, go to previous. How to go to previous? You are in the stack. Pop one time, you will go to previous. Pop one time, you will go to previous, and so on. I hope you got clarity. So for this program, static scoping answer is 5. Dynamic scoping answer is 15. So this is the program. See this one. At this place I said print A. At this place I said print A. There is no A. This is called scope problem. Then what solution I have to give? If I ask the compiler, allow compiler, you solve. Compiler, you solve means static scoping. Where I said to the compiler, whenever scope problem, compiler, you solve. Then compiler knows only global variable. So you will replace whenever scope problem means no local, then take global. So according to compiler, this A means this A only. If no local, then you will take global. But whenever scope problem, I said to the compiler, allow compiler, if you know scope problem, you please keep quiet. Compiler saying that while compiling, I got a scope problem. I said to the compiler, you please keep quiet. Whenever scope problem, you don't worry. Just leave it. Whenever scope problem, please, you don't worry. Just leave it. Just ignore it. Processor will take care. Means while running, processor will take care. Then what happened is while running, processor will take. I am at here, print A. There is no local. So compiler got to know it is the scope problem. But I said to the compiler, you ignore. Processor will take care. That is called dynamic scoping. What the processor will do is, whenever you are at here, there is a scope problem. It will do one time pop operation. It will go to previous. Previous means see, you came like this. Previous means you will go back. Push means you will go here. Pop means you will come here. Push operation, reverse is pop operation. So when you say pop, you will come here. It will print this value. So which is nothing but you are at here. If nothing is available according to dynamic scoping, go to previous. Previous means pop operation. Suppose here A value 15 there, you will print. Suppose some people are asking, sir, here also, this also not there. Sir, what I will do, sir? One more time pop. Means one more time go back. Pop means going back. So here at least A there, yes, then 10 will be printed. Then 10 will be printed. Suppose some people are asking, sir, here also not there, sir. On the top not there, pop one time, go to previous. Previous also not there. Pop one time, go to previous. So 10 will be printed. Some people are asking, sir, suppose isn't that in the main program also A not there. Then what you do is go previous. You came to main program. After global variable. You came from here. Because starting itself, you are not running the program. See, program running will start from main, but global variable created at the time of compilation itself. Global variable created at the time of compilation itself. Remember, in the main program also not there, just to go to global. Lastly, according to dynamic scoping, go to lastly, worst case, global variable. So dynamic name itself saying dynamic. Go to nearest one. You are in the 5th floor, some problem. Go to 4th floor. 4th floor, some problem. Go to 3rd floor. 3rd floor, some problem. Go to 2nd floor. 2nd floor, some problem. Go to 1st floor. 1st floor, some problem. Then go to global variable. So try to understand. I hope everyone got it. It is the second problem. So for this problem, answer is whatever problem we are given, actual problem, right? Static scoping 5, right? Dynamic scoping 50. If anyone having any doubt in this problem, please let me know. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Everyone try. Any doubt? If you have a small doubt also, ask me, I will help you. Second problem, done. Third problem, make you more clarity. Third problem will give more clarity. Yeah, let's go to third problem. Example 3. Let's see how many people will do. Int A is equal to 5. Careful everyone. Int A is equal to 5. Main. A function called. Go to A. B function called. If you think A both may be some problem, so you can change it. Nothing there. So here isn't that B function? Now C is called. Go to the C function. D function called. Go to the D function. Printf A. Can anyone guess what is the answer for this? Print A. Static scoping, what is the answer? Find out yourself. Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Find out yourself. Yeah. Try to give the answer, everyone. What is the output of this program? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? I want answer from you. Well, static scoping in the sense, whenever compiler got to know compilation time some problem is there, scope problem, compiler only will resolve. Whenever compilation is going on, compiler got to know some scope problem. Compiler got to know some scope problem. Compiler only will solve that problem. That is called static scoping. What compiler will do is, it will replace local variable. Right? No local, then it will take local. What dynamic scoping will do is, whenever scope problem, compiler don't do anything, it will pass that problem to processor. Processor will resolve. Processor will take the closest one, because whenever program is came until running, right, there may be so many possibilities. He will take the closest one. Now I want answer from all of you. This program, what is the output? It is a problem number 3. It's a problem number 3. Please help me, everyone. Everyone, please help me. What is the output of this program? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? I am expecting. Everyone try. Everyone try. This program, static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? I am expecting answer from all of you. Output of this program. So as usual, you can start here. So let me try this one. Static area 5 will be there. Static area. Right now, stack you take. First main will push. In the main, no local. So main will call B. B will call C. C will call D. C will call D. So I am at D now. In the D, see this one. I am at D. In the D, you say print A, no local. In the D, you said print A, no local. If no local, according to static scoping, global. So I think no local. No local. So global will be printed. Global A printed, which is 5. That's okay. Static scoping means if no local, then print global. Okay, fine. Some people are asking, sir, what is the dynamic scoping? Can everyone see the dynamic scoping? Can everyone see the dynamic scoping? See what the dynamic scoping will happen. If no local, if you say print A, according to dynamic scoping, pop one time, check previous. Previous also not there. Pop one more time, print previous. Right? Previous also not there. Pop one time, right? Check the previous. Previous one also not there. So this also pop. Whenever you pop this also, stack empty. Oh, all are over. Now global variable. Right? Lastly, global variable will be printed. Right? Lastly, global variable will be printed. So what is the answer? Worst case, let me write. Worst case, dynamic scoping also will print. Worst case. Right? Worst case means something like this. No local, no function having local. Lastly, it will print global variable. So 5 will be printed. Right? Static scoping directly global printed. Right? Dynamic scoping, worst case global printed. Worst case global will be printed. So for this problem, worst case of dynamic scoping happened. right? Because of nowhere local, lastly it will also print global. This is the example. This is the example 3. This is the example 3. Let's go to example 4. Let's go to example 4. Yeah, start this. A is equal to, yeah, I think this may be interesting one. This may be interesting one. Can you see this one? Everyone see. Main function. Careful. Main function. B function called. What is the B? What is the B? In the B function, int A is equal to 7. C function called. Go to the C function. In the C function, D function called. Go to the D function. In the D function, print A. Yeah, it's a very twisted problem. It's a very twisted problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. What is the static scoping answer? What is the dynamic scoping answer? Can you try properly? What is the static scoping answer? What is the dynamic scoping answer? I'm expecting. Try now. What is static scoping answer? What is the dynamic scoping answer? Everyone try. For this program, static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Everyone try. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Yeah. If you observe clearly this problem, see what happened. See what happened as usual. So because of no global, directly start with the stack. With the stack here, main will push. Okay. Next one, B function. In the B function, A value 7. Now afterwards, C function called. C will also push. In the C, nothing there. So D called. D function is called. Okay. In the D function, you say print A. In the D function, you are saying print A. Understand here. In the D function, you are saying print A, right? No local. In the D function, you are saying print A, no local. It is a scope problem. I said to the compiler, if you come across this problem, compiler, you resolve. I said to the compiler, if you come across this problem, compiler, you resolve. Compiler, you resolve. Scope problem will come, compiler, you resolve. What compiler got to know? Right? Oh, no local. I have to replace by global. But interesting thing is, no global. So then compiler will give, right, according to static scoping, compiler will print no local, global. Global also not there. So you will simply say that it will give error message. It will give error, no declaration. Undeclared variable. It will give error message, undeclared variable. Right? That is the static scoping answer. Undeclared variable. Static scoping answer is error message, undeclared variable. Some people are asking, what about dynamic scoping, sir? Ready, sir? What about dynamic scoping? So I am at here. There is a scope problem. What the dynamic will do? It will go to previous. Not there. It will go to previous. Yes, 7 will be printed. Dynamic scoping will print 7. Dynamic scoping will print 7. Right? This is the static scoping and dynamic scoping. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, I will say, I think 4 problems I covered in today's class. Today's class, I covered 4 problems. See, the first problem, it is the second problem, it is the third problem, it is the fourth problem. 4 problems I covered. Right? 4 problems. Right? So let's see this one. It is the first problem. It is the second problem. Right? It is the second problem. Second problem explanation is this only. It is the third problem. It is the fourth problem. There are 4 problems I covered. In tomorrow's class, I may cover 4 more problems. Try to understand everyone. Try to understand. If you are preparing for a GATE examination or any competitive exam, so daily quizzes are there. Please utilize this. Daily quizzes are there. Please utilize this. This is a wonderful opportunity because every day, approximately 10 plus 50, many students are discussing many problems. We are going to post officially 10 problems every day, right? So 50 problems from the student, total 60 problems you are going to practice. Please, right? If you want to join the Telegram group or WhatsApp group, you can. This is our WhatsApp number, so you can ping us. We are going to join you. Next one, new batches are starting, so there is a 50% offer is going on. If you are 2026 aspirant or 27 aspirant, you can go for the new batch, right? 2025 people can go to, 2025 people can go to, right, test series. 2026 people can go to, right? So GATE CSE and placement course combinedly you can go, right? Only DSA course you can go, or GATE CSE, GATE DA also you can go, or only separately also. This new batch, 2026 people, 27 people can utilize. If you start early, you will get more advantage. If you start early, you will get the more advantage, right? So thank you so much. For any doubts are there, you can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you, right? So this is our WhatsApp number. If you have small doubt also, please ping us. We are going to help. So thank you. Thank you so much. If you like this class, please comment and share the class so that it will benefit many people. Thank you. See you in tomorrow's class.